All right. Now, this time of year, it's just like, it's one of my favorite time of year, and I'm not exactly sure why, because probably like a lot of you, I grew up in a lower middle class family. There wasn't a lot of money for presents. Every freaking year I ask Santa Claus for something. Every year I get socks. When you're 6, socks don't cut it. Socks don't cut it when you're 60, all right? And I look at my mom with these big eyes. I'm like, Mom, big socks? She goes, well, you needed socks. Yeah, I know, but it's Christmas. Socks. Socks. When you have disappointment when you're young. But anybody here who's got little kids at home, just remember, you are scarring them for life. You don't got to give them everything in the world, but they got that one thing they really want. Make it happen, or else this happens. My parents going, where did we go wrong? You gave me socks. Well, man, I'm about 8 years old, right? And I have had it. This is it. I'm laying it all on the line, talking way back. I said, this is the last year. I'm going to go see Santa, the real one, at Macy's in Manhattan. The real one, all right? And I'm going to tell him what I want, and if I don't get it, that's it. That's it. I'm out. I no longer believe if I do not get what I want this year. So I went to the city with my parents. I got on that freaking line for 3 hours. I get up to Santa and I freaking choke. You seen the movie? It's true. Y'all know that. I'm sitting there and I'm choking. Santa's going, what do you want, little boy? I'm going, He's going, spit it out. Spit up. Shut up. All right. Finally, he goes, you better tell me what you want, son. There's other people waiting. And I looked at Santa Claus with those big puppy dog eyes. I said, Santa, I want to rock. I want to rock. I want to rock. I want to rock. Turn it down, you say. All I got to say to you one time and I'm again say no. No, 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 no. Tell me not to play. All I got to say to when you tell me not to play, I say no. No, 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 no. So when you ask me, why not the way I play it? There's only one thing I'll say to you. I wanna rock. I wanna rock. I want to rock. I wanna rock. And I'm feeling that I give them nothing else and there ain't nothing in the world is a girl. Turn the power up. Waiting for so long so I can hear my baby so let's go. When it's like this, hear the music shoot through me. And nothing else. I'm ready to. I wanna rock. I wanna rock. I want to rock. I wanna rock. I wanna rock, rock, rock. I wanna rock, rock, rock. I want to rock, rock, rock. I wanna rock, rock, rock. I wanna rock. Well, I know why we come back here. I know why we come back here. Cause the Starland gets the most kick-ass audiences. The most enthusiastic audiences. The most appreciative audiences. The most fun audiences. And you motherfuckers know how to party. These motherfuckers know how to party. Right here. Well, you know the magic word. And this is when you say it. When I say I want to rock, you say, right. When I say I want to rock, you say, right. When I say I want to rock, you say, all right. Let's try it one time. Eddie Ojeda, ladies and gentlemen. I want to rock! Nice. Pick up nice. Do it again, do it again. Do it again. I want to rock! Hey, turn the spotlight off of me. Turn the lights on the audience, Johnny. Yeah. Now I see you. Now I see you. I want to rock! Everybody, put your fist in the air when you say rock. Put your fist in the air when you say rock. Want to see that you're rocking. Side to side, front to back. Everybody in the middle, here we go. Here we go. I want to rock! You think? You think? What do you think? Give him the real test? Mark the Animal is very, very critical. He really watches people. He sees when there are people who are faking it or hiding behind other people. Don't be a piece of motherfucker. It's the word rock and throwing your fist in the air, not a drum job. All right? Here we go. I want to rock! That's pretty nice, right? They're ready. They're primed. You're ready. You're ready. You're ready. You're ready. This is it, people. Big ending. Big ending. Turn the lights off them now. Turn the lights off them now, Johnny. And, yeah, reaction time is wow, it's way off, right? Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. The big finish. Ready, boys? Ready, boys? Everything you got. I want to rock! 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 Want to rock! 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 I want to rock! 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 I want to rock! Jersey! We're Twisted Sister! We still want to rock! Thank you, New Jersey! Good night!